What is spat on shell and what purpose does recycled shell serve? Hi, I'm Rory McNish and this is a Marine Minute Monday. Oysters are often referred to as ecosystem engineers because they create vital habitat to many finfish and invertebrates in the marine environment. In order to become a reef, juvenile shellfish must first set onto existing shell material, forming large groups of individuals living attached to one another, forming a large reef. At our Southold facility, we use recycled shell as substrate for the juveniles to attach to in large tanks to create our spat-on shell oysters. The shell we collect from our recycling network partners is cured, tumbled, and conditioned. Once this process is complete, the shell is placed in our tanks and larval juvenile oysters are added. After a few days, the larval oysters attach securely, becoming spat. From there, they are moved to one of our restoration sites to form new reefs.